Sinfonia. This is a high school level ensemble here, and we have one piece for you tonight that is a Sinfonia feature piece. This piece is called Irish Party in Third Class. It is quite a fun piece, and it's very dance themed. There's a difficult time signature change and tempo change halfway through, and they have done such a lovely job at giving their all to this piece and really, really refining everything here. So I'm excited for you guys to hear this. I also would encourage you to, I have some QR codes posted by the entrances here that are linked to our concert program. So on your way out, please feel free to scan those for a little bit more about our lovely players here, as well as a little note from me. So here is Sinfonia. Thank you so much.